Hey guys, Tom from Optoma here. Today I'm going to show you a few different ways to use external devices with your Optoma Creative Touch Interactive Flat Panel. You heard me, Optoma Technology, a world leader in 4K display technology, is introducing interactive flat panels, or IFPs for short, in 3 easy-to-use sizes, perfect for the classroom and boardroom alike. Anywho, let's check out those devices and how to use them. Many companies make VESA-compliant mini PCs like this Asus. These can be easily attached to the IFP's optional mount or rolling stand using our included VESA bracket. Once attached, simply connect power, an HDMI cable from the output of the mini PC to one of the HDMI 2.0 inputs on the IFP, and a USB A to B cable from the mini PC to the Creative Touch IFP. You can similarly connect your Mac using an HDMI cable and USB cable. Adapters may be needed. You can also connect this cool little Chrome box the same way. To switch between your inputs, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen and select the input that you want. Convenience alert, you can custom name your inputs to whatever you want by selecting Settings, then scrolling down to Input Setting, flipping the Input Alias switch, and naming them to whatever suits you best. And just like that, you can have multiple operating systems running on the same display with touch interactivity and no need to disconnect or reconnect sources. Keep in mind though that each operating system handles touch interactivity differently. So aside from the HDMI 2.0 inputs and the USB for touch, you also have HDMI out, VGA in, 3.5mm analog AV in, 3.5mm audio in and out, digital coaxial audio out, 4 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, RJ45 with Wake on LAN functionality, and RS-232 for control. Holy snopes, that's a lot of versatile connectivity on these Creative Touch IFPs. Stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button so you never miss out on anything we post, and don't forget to visit us at optoma.com. I'm Tom from Optoma. Thanks for hanging out.